Who would you want as your spirit guide? At number 5, we have the wolf from Native American mythology. This spirit guide symbolizes loyalty, intelligence, and inner strength. At number 4, the powerful eagle. This creature represents courage, freedom, and see the bigger picture, soaring towards our dreams. Next up, at number 3, the mighty dragon. In Chinese mythology, this majestic being embodies power, wisdom, and protection. At number 2, we have the phoenix, the ultimate symbol of rebirth. This fiery bird teaches us about transformation and resilience. And at number 1, the mystical unicorn. This majestic creature symbolizes purity, healing, and divine grace. Which one would you choose as your guide?